Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make a very delicious sweet Rava Ladoo. This is so easy and simple to make. In normally Rava Ladoos, milk is used as a binding or sugar has to make till one string consistency. But in our recipe, you don't require anything like that. So let's start with heating half a cup of ghee. Yes, I know it's a quite lot of ghee, but we're gonna make around 20 ladoos. Now let's roast some beautiful golden raisins in this ghee and some cashews as well. You don't have to use the whole cashews. You can break them into pieces like this so that in each ladoo you will get a good bite of cashews. Now add around 2 cups of semolina, and this one I have used very fine semolina, and normally it is called as Chiroti. Now you have to roast it for around 10 minutes or until you get a beautiful roasted aroma. Now keep that aside, and into the same pan add around 1 cup of sugar and add 1 cup of water. Now you just have to boil this and melt the sugar. Once the sugar starts to boil, add some cardamom powder and mix it. And after a good boil of this sugar syrup, add the roasted semolina, roasted cashews and raisins. Now mix that really well and break all the lumps. Now at this stage you'll feel like, oops, that is quite a lot of water, but don't worry, the semolina will get cooked and it will absorb all the sugar syrup and it will become thick. So whisk it continuously on a low flame. Now turn off the flame and close the lid and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, transfer that into a plate, and then once it cools down, you can see it had become very thick and you can easily make that into ladoos like this. And these Rava Ladoos are really soft and it will just melt in your mouth. And if you want your Rava Ladoos to be very sweet, you can always increase the quantity of sugar. Here I have used only 1 cup of sugar for 2 cups of semolina. You can always go for 1:1 ratio. Our delicious, sweet, soft and nutty Rava Ladoos are ready. To make these delicious sweets, you don't have to wait for any special occasions. Whenever you feel like eating sweets, just make these delicious and healthy ladoos at home and enjoy it with your family. So give this video a big thumbs up and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.